Here we are in MailChimp, and I'm going to attempt to walk directly to the lists. And I've just logged in. I'm in the dashboard. Lists, sign up forms, embedded forms. And here I am. Now, I believe the classic will have a background, and I want the naked, and the naked is just, it'll give these two places to add information. I can change the title here, and it will change it over here. And you can specify the form width, though I didn't seem to have any luck with doing that. And then you copy this code and then go to your site, go to ThemeJackBiz and contact. And the bottom of contact is where you create information blocks. So I'm going to put the code in here in this content box and add a custom shortcode. And I will now copy this shortcode or info block, and if you haven't already completed the integration settings, that's adding your GetResponse API key and your Google CAPTCHA secret key and your Aweber autoresponder. If you haven't already completed these, then you want to stop this video now and go in and set up whichever autoresponder you use, and then come back to this video for setting up or adding an autoresponder to a module. So we're going to add a new page, and this is the module for autoresponder. Okay, and when you add a new page, this is what it looks like by default, and I'm going to use the Jack Page Builder, which adds in all of these features. Now, each page using the custom page builder by default has the header, the top menu, the section that we can add to an edit, and the footer. So I'm going to the orange or yellow, whatever color you see this as. This is the setting for the section, and you can choose a style wizard setting, a background image, or background color, video, etc. And I will add an image, and I'll just choose one that I have in my library. And if you want to edit, you can edit clicking on the link right here, delete it permanently, or just go ahead and set it as the background. So this will be the background for the section. I will now set the row settings, and again I can choose Style Wizard, upload an image, or select a background color. And I will add a color, and I can add padding, margins, and border radiuses. Save the setting, and now I'm going to come in and add the columns. And there are 14 different settings to choose from. This is different size areas on your page. I'm going to add the half and I'm adding Autoresponder, and this one will be for Get Response Autoresponder. You can name it whatever you want to name it, and you will have to have already set your settings for Aweber and Get Response in order to use this part. Title color, purple. Background color will be white. And you can give the button any name you wish. Set your padding, and when you're finished, save. So I've now added Get Response. I'm going to add another autoresponder, and this time I'm going to use the MailChimp that I just created, and because MailChimp is not yet integrated into the ThemeJack themes, I'm going to use the short code that I created and make sure you select text, enter the short code. So this is the short code for the MailChimp autoresponder form. I'm not going to select a service provider because I'm using my short code. And I think I will leave the rest of the settings as they are and save and publish. And then we'll take a look at what we've created. Okay, here's our two autoresponders. This is the MailChimp. Obviously, I should have left the title off either the MailChimp form or the module setup, and this is the Get Response setup. And the next video will be on blogs.